What if your next email, meeting, or spreadsheet could be written by a machine with the same care as a human? I spent the last year chasing that dream, testing dozens of automation tools that promise to lift the weight off our desks. First, I looked at Zapier. It feels like a Swiss Army knife. Drag and drop triggers, set up actions, watch data flow. Friendly interface, but rigid. Every workflow is a chain of steps, and when you add too many, the logic looks like a maze. I loved its breadth, but I was stuck on what a simple trigger could do. Then came IFTTT. Lighter, but the same story. Simplicity is a double-edged sword. When more nuance is needed, you face a handful of pre-built recipes that are hard to tweak. I used it to automate social media posts. It saved time, but also felt like a puppet following a script. The next shift was Notion automations. The platform became a workspace where data and action met. I could write formulas, set reminders, trigger email drafts, all inside the app I use for notes. It was seamless. I built a dashboard that pulled sales numbers and triggered a Slack alert when a target was hit. The learning curve was steep, but the payoff was worth it. Then the future arrived. Agents that learn from context, adapt, and ask clarifying questions. I built agents that read my emails and suggested replies. The idea of a safe, controllable agent that learns my style was thrilling. In the process, I joined the OpenClaw community. There, I met other founders building real AI agent workflows, sharing use cases and safety tips. The community felt like a lab where we could test, fail, and iterate without fear. Comparing these tools, a pattern emerges. The best solutions blend ease of use with flexibility to grow. They let you prototype quickly, then scale without rewriting logic. They also respect privacy and give you control over data. That is the promise I keep chasing. I keep learning, tweaking, and sharing because the journey is as important as the destination. If you're wondering which tool to pick, ask yourself, do you need a quick fix or a robust system that can evolve? Your answer will guide your next step. Remember, the right tool is not the most popular, but the one that lets you do more of what matters with less routine. Reflection. The smartest automation is the one that amplifies human intention, not replaces it. It reminds us that technology should lift us, not replace our heart. For real, today.